G'day, here's an example of a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's a bit see-through, crystal sort of material, rules in millimetres. It's been wetted. Just wipe a bit of water off there. Water reflect. As you can see, it's not a high quality piece, but you get a couple of pendants or 3 pendants out of that if you wanted to. Not very hard to slice that. It's the back, reasonably hard and sort of material, so should get a reasonable polish on the back. But like I say, to me, I'd be cutting 1, 2, 3 pieces out of it. Over here, colour bar, the opal bar goes under there, so it might be worthwhile grinding that down to see what you get. But I think it's similar material. It's a bit of fire there and a few spots, greens. There it is showing up in the middle. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.